You know it's letter A because it's Tito Wrench, and letter S is Tito Shindo.
Oh.
Okay. Good.
Is it clean now?
Yeah. Good job. Now let's go. Come hug. I'm gonna give you a tiny spoon and a tiny. Do you want the heart plate or do you want the round plate?
I want the heart plate.
Okay. Look at that. It smells so good, babe. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Turkey?
Yeah?
I'm having a heart ball.
I'm gonna put the chicken here because I'm gonna heat it, okay?
Why are you going to hit it?
No,
Tito Shindo's gonna hit your chicken first and then she's gonna put that back in.
I'm gonna make it hot.
Hot? Oh, what hot?
Well, not too hot that it'll hurt, but just enough hot. And then I'm gonna put the
Oh, where's your
rice.
water? I'm gonna get your water, just stay there. Where can I sit? I'm gonna just sit here. Yeah.
This is too hot. Let me put some rice.
I'm healthy.
Yeah. There you go, Laura.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Careful, it's hot. I'm gonna open it.
I am so
Wow.
I'm eating turkey and I'm eating chicken.
It's gonna hurt your tummy or not.
Okay.
Okay. After eating, we're gonna play. Yes.
What's that picture? That was us?
Yep, that's us.
Is your frozen white?
That's Tito Renz, Laura, Tito Shindo.
How was that?
Tito Renz, Laura, Tito Shindo.
What's that?
See, Tito Renz, Laura, Tito Shindo. That's Mommy, Tito Shindo.
How was that?
Draw this. That's you. You draw that. You forgot.
I did. That.
Tito Renz, Tito Shindo.
Oh, who's that again?
Tito Renz and Tito Shindo again. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat.
Yum yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Delicious. You know,
Mm-hmm.
I eat chicken with rice when I eat this, and this when I eat this.
You did?
After eating, we're gonna change your bio and then you're gonna play.
Yay, hooray.
Hooray, yay, yay. Is it red? Did you bring the cup?
What?
You bring a cup?
Home?
Here, they gave it to us, your mommy and daddy.
For Christmas?
Yeah.
Forgot?
Yeah!
Do you remember when we had a Christmas party at your house? It was so fun.
Thank you!
Let's eat.
My hand was dirty.
Okay. We're gonna wipe it later after eating.
Why are you eating with your hands?
I'll wash my hands. I washed my hands so it's gonna be clean.
But why is your spoon and your fork are dirty? Why are they dirty? That one only. That one is not.
No.
What's here? Here on it. I want a teacher.
You want what?
There's gym.
I don't think you're gonna like it though. It's hard. Let's try a little bit. Yeah. What do you think?
It's good.
Good.
you clean my hands?
Okay.
Can you write this here? Okay. There you go.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Look,
Let me see. Wow! You did this?
and I did
Music for video.
Oh.
Please subscribe and check the description.
Wow.
Wow! Good job, Laura. You did it.
Your turn. You just in the open it. That's
This?
green. The cubes are inside the tube.
Hmm?
They're inside.
Yep. Good job.
I just did that.
Okay.
Oh, I love this.
Love that too.
Do you want them chips?
You want?
You?
You want more?
No, I have one.
Oh, you still have?
You want one?
Yeah.
Why?
Let's cheers.
Here.
Oh, you have to arrange it like this.
But you want more?
This one is here. This one is beside the tower, and then this one is here. 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 Here.
I want this here to go.
That's beside this tower. Okay. Now you move only with one block. Okay. Just one block. There you go. And then you can move 2 blocks like that.
What are
2
you up
blocks.
to?
Very good. And then I'm gonna move 1 block like that. And then
Music for
the
video.
unicorn
Please
that's gonna
subscribe
jump
and
in
check
an
the
L
description
shape.
for the right music license.
L. Like you see? L. Okay? You can move the unicorn in the L shape. Good job! You're getting it!
1, 2, and 3. 3 there, 2 there,
Gotta get your
1
water.
is put there.
Here's your water. With both hands.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray!
Landed with a bump on the floor. Goldilocks needed to rest before she started walking again, so she climbed up the rickety stairs and found the bear's bedroom. First, Goldilocks tried Daddy Bear's big... Daddy Bear went to sit down to think about how the porridge could have mysteriously disappeared, when he noticed his chair had been moved.
Someone's been sitting in my chair.
He explained. Mummy Bear saw all her cushions on the floor and joined in. And someone's been sitting in my chair. Haven't they broken it? He cried. They were still standing, scratching their heads. When they
Music
heard
for
her
video.
faint noise
Please
from
subscribe and check the
upstairs.
description for the right music license.
porridge is far too cold.
Too cold.
Finally, she tried the porridge in Baby Bear's tiny bowl.
And this baby bowl is this
Porridge is just